Waihoʻoluʻu. Did you know we have different shades of colors? Here are all the different ʻula we have. For example, alaia, apane, ena, kole, moano, nono. Here are the colors of mele. For example, he pia, kamalena, olena, pala, puahau, mamo. For poni, the examples are popolohua, kaiʻina, and poni. Here are the different uliuli. Some examples: hauli, pano, polu, uli, pauli, ahina. The different ele. We have hakuma, poele, popolo, panopa'u, hiva, and lipo. We have a few akala shades. Some examples are akala, ha'ulaʻula, noiʻula, and ʻōhelohelo. We only have the word alani for orange. What does that tell us about this color? But we have more for keʻokeʻo. Some examples of keʻokeʻo: ahina, aʻiaʻi, uakea, ahuliʻu, kuakea, and papakea. We have ahinahina shades. The examples I have here: ahinahina, hina, lehu, hinaulu, noe, popo uwahi. Oma'oma'o, the shades are maka, oma'o, uli. And finally, the different maku'e, with some examples being ea, e'ehu, hulupala, olomea, ea ula, and hili.